Here they go, the Union Black Toe ones, size 11. Box looks very nice. Let's go. Ooh. These are good. Very good, very good. The tissue paper explaining how things were broken down, and the stitching, the quality of the leather. They don't come laced like every single Jordan 1 Retro. They never come laced up. The quality on these is like perfect. It's like spot on. The leather is good. The stitching is just right. You have the Union tag right there. The insole says Union. There is the size tag, and they come laced with the infamous two-tone laces. But they also come with that classic yellow pair, which I will be switching in, and the other pair of the two tones with the Union hang tag. All in all, overall, amazing looking shoe. It got to me very quick. Thank you again.